there's like you don't need to put in a code or anything. It's just
Oh, no sign, no nothing?
well, I think like you have to sign into the app.
Okay,
But then
alright.
yeah, but then like if you use the app to do it,
Yeah.
it's like it's already there's no signature, there's no code.
They do it on here, right?
What?
Oh no, it's fine. You say there's parts where you can't get anything on that side of that fence. Remember how we had
So
like
weird.
hard
Yeah,
fence?
yeah.
Well, we should walk through and get inside.
What's the roses down here?
Yeah.
Really?
It's on the other side of it, but at the top. It's not that wide. We could go over there. Oh, and actually, it might be a good time to go to the rose garden. Actually, I think roses bloom about now. May, April, May. You want to go see a rose garden?
Sure.
So this park is very well used
Yeah?
in good weather.
Okay.
The parks in China are really well used.
They are, huh?
Like hordes of people.
Yeah?
Like, hey,
Yeah, and like this actually is one park where you can go on the grass. So there's usually like tons of people flying kites. There's people doing karaoke.
Oh, that's cool.
There's people doing dancing. There's people hitting their backs on trees. We don't really know what that's about, but it's a thing. There's people doing tai chi. There's people doing martial arts looking things.
And so people come with their families or
Yeah.
friends and just...
Yep.
Wow.
Yeah, parks are like.
That's true, there's space. And it's actually really pretty. Look at that.
Yeah. Yeah, they do parks really well here.
Wow, who are those guys?
Well, you know, some white guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. Yes, ma'am. What else will you tell me?
Wow, this is a beautiful park. Who knew there were nice parks in Shanghai? And like they're like everywhere,
Yes,
right?
everywhere. Even like the little neighborhood parks, yeah, maybe the early. The rose garden.
Oh, sweet.
We have some, yeah, we're early. This will be, you can smell it though, there's a few
Oh
more.
my god, absolutely. That
Right?
smells
We
amazing.
have some pictures from here when this is in bloom. I mean, the whole thing. There's a zillion different kinds of roses.
Oh, that's super cool.
Gorgeous.
Nice.
Back in a month.
And they're big
Yeah,
roses,
yeah.
huh?
Just, and all different colors and kinds. And so I think May for roses usually.
it's like heavy rain probably not great for roses.
Maybe not. But next month, I think you can see them. I mean, you can see all the buds. This is going to be gorgeous.
Very cool. Cafe Passion.
Like normally you'll come here and these fences are like filled.
Packed?
Yep, it's completely full.
Now, what are these guys up to?
Waiting for the rain to stop so they can come sit on their bench.
Why they're all so huddled together.
Yeah.
Obviously they just play
Yeah. Like, they're pissed off, can't play. So you walk through this park to go to work?
No, he stays up on that road
Okay, that
On
one.
the north side of the
Actually, you mentioned you went to the Sinan Mountain. That's
Yeah.
that's the south side of the park.
Oh, it is. Okay. Yeah, I went to that. I think it's called Da Tapas. And there was a whiskey bar down the road.
You probably know the bars in Shanghai better than we do after one week. You do after 2 years.
So did you? How much did the drinks cost for the whiskey place? I'm guessing it was very expensive, right?
They are very expensive.
Yeah. Whiskey is definitely like a.
They were like. I want to say like $16 or $18.
Yeah. I would expect. But whiskey is definitely like
Hot.
sort of like a very luxury
Yeah.
foreign. You know, it's imported, therefore.
I mean, they had a ridiculous collection. It was all Scotch. Wow, look at that. Even in the other bars, the cocktails were like $10 or $12.
There's definitely a few places around that have Guinness, but the Guinness is always like
Almost always like $10.
Really?
Yeah.
I was like a little bit bummed and like I don't know, man, I can have a Qingdao for like $3.
Yeah.
Or 50 cents in your own house.
So you can go buy cases and just bring it home, right? Yeah.
I order beer like online and it's 3 RMB per can.
Nice.
From the place I work.
Nice.
But I'm definitely turned around, you know where
I know where we are. We're heading south. Sinan Mountains. This will be Fusheng right here.
someone was mentioning me there's like a name for the rains that start right now.
Oh yeah?
What's that to do?
Fun? Like monsoon season?
Yeah.
Chinese style?
Yeah, so there's like a nickname for the
Yeah, fun.
like the May rain. But I was like, oh yeah, well, are you ready for the blah blah? And I was like, yeah. Like, you know, it rains in May.
How are we doing on time? Can we head straight home?
Yeah, we should have like 1:20.
Okay, so now we're going home. We need to go the most direct way. We could go through Johnny and Leslie's neighborhood, although it's a little bit of a pain.
I don't think it's gonna save us any time, right?
It's not going to take time. It'll take more time, but it's
No, let's just go there. Is that Johnny's neighborhood right there? They're pretty cool. I need to go there sometime. Yeah.
We have this one guy who was like our favorite guy when we got here, and then like on Dave's birthday, he was the guy who was like out with us until 2.
Oh,
He's a
awesome.
few years older.
A few years
Yeah.
older, but they got pregnant really young, so he has like grown kids.
Cool.
But so, I mean, I was like walking home for Dave's birthday. Dave was like, "Oh, I want to be like Johnny when I grow up." Then we found out that Johnny was cheating on his wife, and so then he's like,
Oh,
not
no.
really hung out with him since. And we're the only people who know that because I was friends with the wife.
That's tough.
Well, and so
Well, he
he's
like
like,
came to China and got like a Chinese girl.
okay. But and then, so I was friends with the wife, and so we're literally the only people who know. And
Yeah.
I think he feels really awkward around us
That's-
now because
Yeah.
as he should.
Yeah. How did you find out?
Well, I mean, Leslie found out. Leslie was saying, you know, he says he's not, he says he's not.
Oh.
And then he like looked on his phone and he was. And it's funny.
Yeah.
The thing that happened here, they were, you know, he had been here for like a year. She came like a year later.
Okay.
But that happens a lot. Like Dave got here. Dave has basically been doing months long. Yeah.
Oh, this is electric?
Well, it might be a hybrid. Like they make both, but that brand is like the biggest electric car.
BYD.
There's this phenomenon where like, so Dave had basically been coming here for a month at a time for 3 months. More,
Okay.
About 3 months before I got here.
Yeah.
And it often happens like usually the guy is the one who moves here for work.
Right.
And usually the wife comes some number of months later. Because
Yeah.
She had to stay home and get the house packed. And
Totally.
His job started, but she has to take care of shit.
Yeah.
So that presents like lots of.
Well, I mean, in that time period,
Well,
Oh, no, but they
shit happens.
They did like a year.
but so,
Oh,
and,
yeah.
and so, but for them though, that period where like the husband's here with the wife is not creates a set of experiences that happens to a lot of couples. Like the wife gets here, the husband's loving it, and the wife's sort of like not into it yet because she doesn't know anybody and she
Yeah.
doesn't know where to eat and she doesn't know how to do anything.
They're not in the same stage.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
so, I mean, we had it when we first got here. Like
Yeah.
Dave was kind of frustrated. Like, why don't you love it? And I was like, I just got here.
Yeah.
I don't know if I love it.
Right. You have to go through the
They were
whole
doing
process.
that,
Yeah.
And I was telling Leslie, I was like, this is super normal. We had all the same fights.
Yeah.
Everybody I know went through the same thing.
Yeah.
And then lo and behold, it was not the same thing because he had been cheating.
Oh man.
So,
Yeah.
so it totally sucked. But as a result, this guy who's like our favorite guy here now doesn't ever like want to hang out with us because he feels super awkward.
Well, I mean, are they over it? Like, has he
Well,
broken up? And
no, they went to counseling. So this is the other thing that sucks. She left. She got a good job opportunity and she moved back
Oh wow.
to the States. And
Oh wow.
yeah, so that sucked for her because she got through the shitty part.
Yeah.
She got through the part of like not knowing anybody.
Yeah.
Not knowing she had restaurants she liked, she had friends, she had stuff she was doing.
Yeah.
And then she left. So she never got to the part of like living in China and being happy here.
Yeah. So they're separated now.
Well, still like married, not separated like from a marriage perspective.
Yeah.
Just separated physically because she got a good job. And she kind of gets to the point where her attitude was like, fuck it, you fucked up.
Yeah.
Like, I moved here, I quit a job that I really liked, moved here for you. You treated me like shit. And now I got this great job and I'm going to do it. If I can't count on you to, like, be nice to me.
Yeah. That's.
So, I
mean-
think they're going to be fine,
But is he now with his girlfriend, like full time?
but, no, like, he broke his, that's over.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah. Supposedly.
Yeah.
Who knows?
Yeah.
Supposedly that's over. I think he just doesn't hang out with us because he's cheap. You know? He's like embarrassed. That we know. And it's such a bummer because he was like,
But you know, Dave should have a beer with him, and everything will be all right.
Dave. I think he actually probably feels more ashamed of me because, like, I was Leslie's friend. Leslie
Yeah.
stayed at our place a couple
Oh, I
times.
think he's more embarrassed
It's probably me.
to you.
Well,
Yeah.
yeah, when she was going away, you also said to him, Johnny, Leslie's moving away, it's all your fault.